the egg cooker revolutionizes breakfast prep with its simplicity and efficiency. Whether you crave hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled eggs, this versatile appliance delivers perfect results every time. With its compact design and user-friendly features, the egg cooker is a must-have for every kitchen. There are many products available to choose egg cooker, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best egg cooker from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Find a definitive answer for issue-free egg cooking with the Scramble Quick Egg Cooker. Trusted as the trailblazer in egg cooking innovation, this apparatus guarantees amazing eggs each and every time, supported by our fulfillment ensure. With a liberal 6-egg limit, the Scramble Fast Egg Cooker permits you to get ready delicate, medium, or hard-bubbled eggs easily, all while saving time and water. Appreciate reliably ideal eggs with shells that strip easily, encouraging a consistent cleanup process. Adaptability is at the front of this machine, taking special care of finicky eaters, enormous families, and people with occupied plans the same. Whether you pine for hard-bubbled, delicate-bubbled, poached, or fried eggs, or even customized omelets, the Scramble Quick Egg Cooker conveys in practically no time because of its easy-to-use interface. Reduced and lightweight, weighing simply 1 pound, this cooker is a fundamental expansion to any kitchen, from first lofts to more modest spaces like school quarters or RVs. Its smooth plan and assortment of stylish variety choices supplement any kitchen's stylistic layout, with the additional accommodation of all embellishments fitting perfectly inside, improving space usage. Number 2. Krupp Simply Electric Plastic and Stainless Steel Egg Cooker. Experience easy egg cooking with the inventive 600-watt egg cooker, intended to get ready up to 10 eggs to your ideal consistency, whether hard, medium, or delicate bubbled. Furnished with a flexible poaching plate obliging 4 eggs and an omelet plate with a 3-egg limit, this cooker takes special care of different inclinations. Created with a smooth brushed treated steel cover, the cooker flaunts a cutting-edge tasteful improved by a blue drove pointer, discernible caution, and reserve mode, guaranteeing cooking accuracy and comfort. Its underlying string stockpiling highlight improves on cleanup, keeping up with kitchen neatness easily. Included with the cooker is a 180 ml estimating cup highlighting a puncturing pin, working with exact egg readiness. With a minimal plan and a cubic feet estimation of 0.60, this cooker flawlessly squeezes into any kitchen space, making it an optimal expansion to your culinary weapons store. Open the potential for culinary inventiveness and productivity with the 600-watt egg cooker, offering unmatched accommodation and flexibility for all your egg cooking needs. Number 3. Cuisinart Egg Cooker. Enjoy easy egg readiness with the 6-egg limit egg cooker, improving on your morning meal routine with simply the dash of a button. Appreciate reliably ideal eggs with shells that strip easily, encouraging a brilliant beginning to your day. Flexibility is at the core of this apparatus, permitting you to cook eggs to your inclination whether delicate, medium, or hard-bubbled, poached, mixed, or in an omelet. Ideal for obliging the assorted preferences of huge families, this cooker guarantees everybody's desires are fulfilled. Planned in light of comfort, its minimal impression saves important counter space, making it an unquestionable requirement for little living spaces like lofts, dormitories, or campers. Experience bother-free activity by just connecting the unit, adding water utilizing the gauge estimating cup egg piercer, dropping in the eggs, and actuating the cooker. A perceptible tone flags the fruition of the cooking cycle, ensuring impeccably cooked eggs without fail. Included with the egg cooker are fundamental embellishments, for example, a 6-egg holding plate, 2 and 3-egg poaching plate, and an omelet plate, giving all that you want to a consistent cooking experience. Work on your mornings and raise your morning meal game with the adaptable and easy-to-understand egg cooker. Number 4. Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker. Presenting the Scramble Luxurious Fast Egg Cooker, your definitive kitchen ally for easy egg planning. This creative apparatus smooths out the cooking system, permitting you to appreciate impeccably cooked eggs in minutes. With its smooth plan and conservative impression, the Scramble Choice Fast Egg Cooker is a jazzy expansion to any kitchen. Whether you incline toward hard-bubbled, delicate-bubbled, poached, or fried eggs, this adaptable cooker conveys steady outcomes without fail. Furnished with a helpful auto shut-off capability and perceptible caution, you can trust the Scramble Grand Fast Egg Cooker to cook your eggs flawlessly with no mystery. Besides, its extensive limit permits you to concoct to 12 eggs immediately, making it ideal for huge families or engaging visitors. Redesign your morning meal routine with the Scramble Grand Quick Egg Cooker and appreciate flavorful, bother-free eggs each day. Number 5. Dash Express Electric Egg Cooker. Introducing the enhanced version of the beloved Dash Egg Cooker, now with the capacity to cook up to 7 eggs to perfection, ensuring consistent results every time. With our commitment to excellence, we guarantee your satisfaction with every batch. Experience unparalleled convenience with the Dash Express Egg Cooker's quick and easy operation. Simply select your preferred egg type, and the auto shut-off feature prevents overcooking, while a buzzer alerts you when your eggs are ready. Designed with versatility in mind, this appliance caters to various preferences, making it ideal for picky eaters, large families, or individuals with busy schedules. Whether you fancy hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled eggs, or personalized omelets, the Dash Express Egg Cooker delivers with just a push of a button. Not just a kitchen essential, the Dash Express Egg Cooker also makes for the perfect gift for weddings or new homes. Its compact size, complemented by a convenient cord-wrap storage feature, ensures it takes up minimal counter space. Choose from trendy color options to match any kitchen decor. Included with the 360-watt Dash Express Egg Cooker is a poaching tray, omelet bowl, 7-egg holder tray, measuring cup, and access to a recipe book and database. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.